Hi, my name is Shane Geary. I'm Senior Vice President of Manufacturing and Operations. I've been in the industry now for 30 years in a variety of roles, including technology development and manufacturing operations, including ultimately running wafer fabs across the US and Europe. And what really attracted me to Pragmatic was to use leading-edge semiconductor manufacturing equipment, but on an incredibly unique and compelling manufacturing technology. Behind me, we have the UK's first 300mm wafer fab. It's unique in many, many ways. First of all, the size. Typically, a silicon wafer fab occupies thousands of square meters of cleanroom space, takes years to construct, takes billions of dollars of investment. Our lines are much smaller, much more compact, just a few hundred square meters of cleanroom space, much lower investment, much quicker to deploy. We make very thin, very flexible FlexICs on 300mm wafers. We start with a 300mm glass wafer as a carrier, and on that we deposit a very thin layer of polymer. On that we build the rest of our integrated circuits. Our manufacturing process has been truly optimized to be as simple as possible, to be as low cost as possible, and to be as sustainable as possible. We use a small fraction of the chemicals, of the gases, of the water, and of the energy compared to a standard silicon manufacturing process. And we can install flexible lines in brownfield sites or customer sites around the world. And we've cordoned off a few hundred square meters of this building and installed our very small modular cleanroom. This site can ultimately accommodate 9 such lines, each one capable of producing billions of flexible ICs at very low cost. And we can go from cleanroom construction to a fully ramped facility in less than a year. Our manufacturing process is truly unique and differentiated. There's nowhere else in the world where we can make flexible ICs at such low cost, at such high levels of sustainability, and really enabling things like circular economy, the drive to net zero, to really change the world through the application of our technology.